to the Retirement Minute with JustAskFreeman.com. Folks, my wife has been working for many years, and we've been in business for almost 40 years or so, but we've been married 46 years. Carolyn, why don't you tell our audience what it's like with good planning, what it's like to retire, what it feels like.
I really enjoy retirement. When I was working as a nurse for 40 years, I enjoyed that, but retirement is 10 times better.
Tell them.
Because the good things that we planned for, we prepared for it. So I knew what I was going to do with my money, with my time, and I absolutely loved it.
And some of the sacrifices that were made early on, in other words, to have a very good retirement, you have to plan for it. And folks, you cannot charge it. Retirement, you have to pay for it. And if you want to know more, contact me at Freeman at JustAskFreeman.com and get your safe money kit so that you have a good retirement too. Again, that email is Freeman at JustAskFreeman.com, and I want you to get your safe money kit.